Hello, welcome to my channel. And today we're gonna review engine belt of Yutong bus. The belt is being very heavy duty, and you can see the thickness of the belt and the amount of the rubber that has been accumulated around the inside edges of the belt. So it's quite a thick belt, and it costs around $20 to $35, and about 7,000 rupees Pakistani, and almost 4,000 rupees Indian. So high quality belt, and it covers a distance of about 4 to 5,000 kilometers, but with special care. So more such stuff and autos related videos, please subscribe my channel.